Choosing engineering strengthened my native instinct and curiosity around logical thinking and building things, researching technologies to solve problems. I loved reading the huge library books on engineering subjects and delving deeper into understanding of the concepts. Perhaps I use the library the most. And knowledge by far has been my best buddy. It never mattered to me that I was the only one of the few females in engineering workshop or even the only female in a boardroom meetings. What empowered me was always being the subject matter expert and having the force of knowledge by my side. My advice to young women engineers is to know your subject area so well that gender has no weightage on opportunity. That's ideal, isn't it? What can we do to make it happen? Recently, I was a panelist at a manufacturing conference. Out of the 40 odd speakers, I was the only female. I felt bad and privileged at the same time. I felt thankful to Cummins India for giving me the opportunity. The least that I can do is to pay it forward. Interview equal or more diversity candidates for an open role. Motivate women employees to break the glass ceiling. Support maternity and paternity care requirements. Cummins walks the talk on diversity, equity, and inclusion. However, I also strongly think it is more on us individuals to lean in and help grow. Thank you.